Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josefine here sharing with you another process video using the beautiful perspectives from the September Fox box and the cute little mini stars. So first we start fussy cut the cute little hearts from the Wonders collection from Paige Evans. There is a design paper with all those cute little hearts on it, and I decided to fussy cut all of these hearts from the design paper. And when I'm done and I fussy cut all these beautiful cute little hearts, I made flowers from these cute little hearts. So here I use a 1-inch punch, and I punched two circles from the design from the cardstock, and I select 8 mini hearts, and I fold these mini hearts in half, so I creating petals for the flowers. And when I fold all the petals of all these mini hearts into petals, I use adhesive tape on for in the center of this 1-inch circle punch, and I place all these mini petals that I made from these cute little hearts in the center of the 1-inch circle. And so this is how I create these cute little mini flowers. And for the center of these flowers I use wooden buttons and enamel dots. So I made a lot of these beautiful flowers from the cute little hearts from the Wonders collection from Paige Evans. And in the center I place some enamel dots in different colors like the yellow, blue, pink, and green. And when all the flowers are ready to use for this page, I place them in a circle on my layout, and I use the gorgeous word perspective word incredible under the beautiful flowers that I made. And the title for this layout will be Incredible View. Here I fussy cut some butterflies, also from the Paige Evans collection Wonders, and put them between the flowers as an extra decoration. Here I use a black alpha set for the word view, and I see that the word view is not spelled correctly, and after the video I changed it into the correct spelling. So here I use my Calypso, and I make a circle, a round circle from my photo from the mountains from February when we went to the mountains in Switzerland. And I changed my photo in circle. So here I ruffle the edges from the design paper that I also cut in a circle by using my Calypso, and I place my photo in the center of the circle design paper, and I stitch the edges of the design from the design paper circle with some pink sewing thread. And here I decided to place my um, place my flowers in a circle by using some 3D foam on my scrapbook layout. And the photo from the mountains, I placed these in the center on top of these gorgeous flowers. I used this cute little pink air balloon on top of my photo because I like the air balloons in combination with the mountains, and these butterflies are perfect as an extra decoration. And look at these cute little mini stars. From the perspectives, I love these cute little mini stars, and I place them random on my layout. And here I add some extra butterflies on my scrapbook layout, and I ruffle the edges of these wings of the butterflies by using my distress etcher. And the perspectives, I glue my perspectives with the glossy accent because the glossy accent held my perspectives perfect on place. And I decided at the end of my scrapbook layout to make some splatters with my distress oxides, and the colors that I use are worn lipstick, mustard seeds, the green mowed lawn, and the orange distress oxide spiced marmalade. And I mix these distress oxide with a little bit of water, and with my watercolor pencil I splash a little bit around on around my flowers. And I love the color effect of these splatters on this scrapbook layout. So I'm very happy how this layout turned out, and it's just so colorful, and I love the view. It's an incredible view. So yes, I definitely love this page. So I hope you did too, and I hope you had some great ideas from this video. And here at the end of my scrapbook layout, I made some white splatters with my white acrylic ink that I mixed with a little bit of water for a more festive look. And that's it. So I hope I was able to inspire you with this layout, and I want to thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to check the Facebook group from the Bramble Fox for more beautiful inspiration with these gorgeous perspectives. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time on YouTube. And for now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day. Bye bye.